Hi friends. When you want to change the format of the date and time displayed on the computer, but do not know how to change it, the following video will guide you how to re-change the form of the display of the day and time on the Win 11 computer at your disposal. First, to change the date format, now you click on the Windows icon, then enter the search box of Windows from the control panel, display on the control panel, then click Select. Here if the interface on the computer do not display as yours, then you can change in View by. There are options. You choose to display like yourself, then choose on clock and region. Then choose change date, time or number formats. The computer will display a new window, in which you can quickly edit the date and time formats. However, to see the details of the symbols, the type of formatting, you select the additional setting. In this window to view the time format, you select time. Here it will show items such as the example display when you change format, the ending format time, and what symbols mean when you format. H is time, M is minutes, S is seconds. The small h symbol, the large H symbol, represents a 12-hour or 24-hour format. HH, M, SS are displayed with 0, while H, M, S is displayed without 0. It is the ding symbol for the time item, but to see the date symbol you select in the date item. It also has the same items as the time element, however, the date format symbol is different. As D, D is the date, DDD is the day of the week, M is the month, Y is the year. This section also displays the time period displayed in the start date of the week in the calendar item. Once you know the ding symbols as time and date, you go back to the quick setup section to change the format as you want in the date and time formats section. You change the date format in short date and long date. Change the time format to short time and long time. If you want to change the day of the week, change the first day of the week. When you change the format, it will show the change in the examples section. When you agree with the date and time format, you select Apply to change, and then select OK to complete the process. So I have taught you how to change the format of the date on the computer. If you like, share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Hello and wish you success.